Yes, students, a very good morning and welcome to today's class. I hope you all are superbly fine at your places, and I hope you all are giving a lots of time to your studies too, right? So now, as you know that we have been doing chapter number 3, two stories about flying in our previous class. And in our previous class, what we did was, हमने उसका पूरा conceptualization किया था इस story का. ठीक है, अभी आज हम इसका क्या करेंगे, प्रॉपर टेक्स्ट. फर्स्टली वी विल टेक द पार्ट 1 एंड देन वी मूव ऑन टू द पार्ट 2. सो सी, two stories about flying, part 1, that is his first flight, written by Liam O'Flaherty. Now before you read this, you should understand two things related to these two parts. The second one is Black Aeroplane by Frederick Forsyth. So since the earliest times we know that humans have been dreamt of conquering the skies. Humans ने हमेशा से क्या dream ली है? That they have to conquer the skies. Here are two stories about flying, and here we are going to study two stories about flying. A young seagull is afraid to fly, and how does he conquer his fear? वो अपने fear को कैसे conquer करते हैं? A pilot is lost in storm clouds. Does he arrive safe? Who helps him? Now, as you all know, first story is about a young seagull who's very much afraid to fly. And how does he conquer his fear? वो अपने इस डर से कैसे आगे निकलता है? A pilot is lost in the storm clouds. अब एक पायलट, अब सेकंड के अंदर जो ब्लैक एरोप्लेन है, एरोप्लेन उससे रिलेटेड है पायलट. सो पायलट क्या है? इज लॉस्ट इन द स्टॉर्म क्लाउड्स. ठीक है, पायलट लॉस्ट है स्टॉर्म क्लाउड में. एंड डज ही अराइव सेफ? क्या वो सेफली अराइव कर पाते हैं? हु हेल्प्स हिम? जो उसको हेल्प करते हैं. ठीक है, एंड द वन हु हेल्प्स हिम is, we can say, is a secret, is a mystery. So see, his first flight, the young seagull was alone on his ledge. His two brothers and his sister had already flown away the day before. He had been afraid to fly with them. Somehow, when he had taken a little run forward to the brink of ledge and attempted to flap his wings, he became afraid. The great expanse of sea stretched down beneath, and it was such a long way down, miles down. He felt certain that his wings would never support him, so he bent his head and ran away back to the little hole under the ledge where he slept at night. Even when each of his brother and his little sister, whose wings were far shorter than his own, ran to the brink, flapped their wings, and flew away. He failed to muster up the courage to take that plunge, which appeared to him so desperate. His father and mother had come around, calling to him shrilly, upbraiding him, threatening to let him starve on his ledge unless he flew away. But for the life of him, he could not move. Now see, it's about a young seagull जो उस ledge पे, ledge is the mountain surface, mountain पे जो एक surface होता है ना, उसको ledge बोलते हैं. So it's a narrow horizontal shelf that protects from a wall, a cliff we can say. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हम एक mountain cliff की बात कर रहे हैं. So the seagull was alone on his ledge. उसके दो brothers and sisters, they have already flown away the day before. एक दिन पहले उन्होंने तो अपना first flight ले लिया. वो अभी भी डरा हुआ था to fly, and somehow जैसे ही वो थोड़ा सा little run लेके brink तक जाता, brink is the edge of that ledge, तो वहीं से आपको fly करना, तो ultimately आपको उस ledge को across जाना होगा. So जैसे ही वो उस ledge तक आता है, थोड़ा सा दौड़कर भाग करके and attempt करता to flap his wings, वो डर जाता. He becomes afraid. The great expanse of sea stretched down beneath. और ये जो great expanse था ना sea का, it just stretched down beneath. वो बिल्कुल कहाँ चला जाता है? It just stretched down beneath means बिल्कुल वो it just stretched down. And it was such a long way down, miles down. And वो क्या था? बहुत long distance था. That it was miles down and miles down. तो वो तो छोटा सा बच्चा था, and it's a very but obvious fact कि एक छोटा सा बच्चा हमेशा height से ऐसे गिरने से हमेशा डर जाता है. He felt certain that his wings would never support him, and he really felt certain कि उसके wings कभी भी उसको support नहीं करेंगे. So he bent his head and ran away back to the little hole under the ledge. So what he did was, उसने क्या किया? So he bent his head, उन्होंने अपने head को bend किया, and he just ran back to the little hole under the ledge जहाँ पे वो था, and वहाँ पे वो पूरी रात he just slept nicely. And even when each of his brother and his little sister, whose wings were far shorter than his, ran to the brink, flapped their wings, and flew away, he failed to muster up the courage to take that plunge which appeared to him so desperate. And we can say that even when, जब क्या था, each of his brother and sister, उसके सारे brother sister जो थे, whose wings were far shorter, उसके wings से उनके wings बहुत shorter थे, but they ran to the brink, they flapped their wing and they just flew away. And at that time he just failed up to do what? He was failed up to muster up the courage, that is he was failed just to jot down the courage, जो अपनी हिम्मत जुटा लेता पूरी, to take that plunge, जो उसके लिए अभी वो जिसके लिए बहुत desperate था. His father and mother had come around calling him Shri. उसके जो father mother थे ना, वो उस तक दौड़ते हुए आए, calling him Shri, बहुत चिल्ला के उसको बुलाते हुए, उसको कॉल करते हुए, upbraiding him, that is scolding him, threatening him, उसको डराते हुए. और उसको क्या डरा रहे थे? that if you do not take your flight now, we are not going to give you food. मतलब हम आपको यहाँ पे लाके कोई खाना नहीं देंगे. And if we are not going to bring food for you over here, तो क्या होने वाला है? You are going to starve. तुम भूखे रह जाओगे. You are going to starve. Okay. So he flew away, but for the life of him, he could not move. But we can say वो भूखे तो नहीं बेचारा रहना चाहता था, but in order to save his life, उसको लग रहा था मरने से तो भूखा रहना is ज़्यादा better. तो कहीं मैं मर मुरा ना जाऊं यहाँ से गिरने के बाद में, so it's better कि भूखे ही रह लेते. तो he did not even try to move. That was 24 hours ago. Since then nobody had come near him. ये 24 hours हो गए and nobody came near him. कोई उसके पास आया ही नहीं. The day before, all day long, he had watched his parents flying about with his brother and sister, perfecting them in the art of flight, teaching them how to skim the waves and how to dive for fish. He had in fact seen his older brother catch his first herring and devour it, standing on a rock while his parents circle around, raising a proud cackle, and all the morning the whole family had walked about on the big plateau midway down the opposite cliff, taunting him with his cowardice. Now already 24 hours हो चुके थे. It was 24 hours ago. Since then उसके पास में कोई भी नहीं आया. Nobody came near him. And the day before, all day long, उन्होंने क्या देखा? He had watched his parents. उन्होंने अपने parents को देखा. They were continuously flying about him, and they were perfecting his brother and sister in the art of flight. उन्हें वो सिखा रहे थे. They were teaching them that how to skim in the water and how to dive for the fish, how to catch the herrings. तो ये सब चीजें उन्हें सिखाई जा रही थी. And he had in fact seen his older brother catch his first herring and devour it, standing on a rock while his parents circled around. Rock पे खड़े होके while his parents just circled around, raising a proud cackle. And they were just raising a proud cackle. Proud cackle कहने का मतलब, क्योंकि जो brother sisters थे, they were perfect in the art of diving for the fish, and they were catching their first herring. They, even though they devoured it, so the parents were so happy that in proud they were just circling around them and making the cackling sound. Seabirds की normally cackling sound होती है, ठीक है? And all the above morning, the whole family had walked about on the big plateau. And all the morning, the whole family, पूरी जो family थी ना, had walked about, was just walking about on the big plateau, on that big plateau of theirs. And midway down the opposite cliff, midway where? वो opposite cliff पे, taunting them with his cowardice. Okay, the sun was now ascending, the sky blazing on his ledge, and faced the south. He felt the heat because he had not eaten since the previous nightfall. He slept slowly out to the brink of the ledge, and standing on one leg with the other leg hidden under his wing, he closed one eye, then the other. And what he did, sun जो था अभी क्या हो रहा था? Ascend हो रहा था, ascending the sky, blazing on his ledge that faced the south. उसने क्या feel किया? He just felt the heat को feel किया because he had not eaten. क्योंकि उन्होंने एक दिन से ना कुछ खाया नहीं. And when you are hungry तो आपको गर्मी ज़्यादा लगती है. So the same thing was happening with him. उसको बहुत hunger feel हो रहा because उन्होंने previous nightfall से he had not eaten anything. He stepped slowly to the brink of the ledge. That is, वो बिल्कुल edge तक गया. उस ledge के slowly he just took his steps and moved there. And standing on one leg with the other leg hidden under his wing, he closed one eye, then the other, and standing on one leg with the other leg hidden under his wing, he closed one eye, then the other. उन्होंने पहले अपनी एक eye close की and then the other, and pretending to be falling asleep, and was just pretending कि उनको नींद आ रही है. Still they took no notice of him, and he was just showing that I am sleeping, मैं इतना hungry हूँ, इतना भूखा हूँ, I am so tired, I am feeling so weak that I am just sleeping. But still they took no notice of him. लेकिन उन्होंने फिर भी उसको कुछ notice नहीं किया. They took no notice of him. Okay. Now he saw his two brothers and his sister lying on the plateau, dozing with their heads sunk into their neck. Now still उन्होंने क्या किया? They took no notice of him. उन्होंने उस पर ध्यान ही नहीं दिया. उन्होंने देखा two brothers and his sister, अब दो brothers और अपने sister को lying on the plateau, जो उस plateau पे they were just dozing their heads and sunk into neck. आपने बर्ड्स को देखा होगा. बर्ड्स यूजुअली क्या करती हैं? अपनी नेक को अपनी बॉडी में पीछे घुसा करके और पूरा उसको अपने फेदर्स के अंदर कवर करके दे जस्ट गो फास्ट asleep. And the same thing was happening over here. यहाँ भी वही हो रहा था. The two brothers and his sister, they were lying on the plateau. They were dozing with their heads sunk into their necks. His father was preening the feathers on his white bag. And father क्या कर रहे थे? Was preening the feathers. वो अपने feathers को preen कर रहे थे on the white bag. Only his mother was looking at him. सब अपने में मस्त थे. Only the mother was there, जो उस बच्चे को देख रही थी. Because क्या होता है ना, mother's heart is something very special, and that was the mother's heart which was aching कि मेरे बच्चे ने कल से कुछ भी नहीं खाया. It's since last 24 hours कि बच्चे ने कुछ नहीं खाया है. He must have been feeling so hungry. But उसके betterment के लिए it was important कि उन्हें ये चीज करनी थी. Now, so the mother was the only one who was looking at him, and she was standing on a little high hump on the plateau. And she was standing where? It little high hump on the plateau. Her white breast thrust forward. Now and again, she tore a piece of fish that lay at her feet, and then scraped each side of her beak on the rock. The sight of food maddened him. He loved to tear the food away and scraping his beak now and again just to wet it, that is just to sharpen it. And what was they saying? That she was standing on the little, we can say, high hump on the plateau, and she was just showing off her white, thirsting forward her white breast. And now and again वो क्या कर रही थी? उसके पैर के पास में एक fish थी. The fish जो उसे बहुत पसंद थी उस बच्चे को, the young seagull को. And mother was continuously doing what? She was just tearing off the pieces of that fish that lay at her feet, and then वो अपनी beak के दोनों तरफ उस पत्थर से, उस rock से क्या करती? उसको scrap करती. ठीक है? And then again this sight of food, it just maddened that young seagull. उस बच्चे को इस खाने की एक झलक ने क्या करती है? Just made him mad. पागल कर दिया. And how he loved to tear the food. उसे इस food को tear करना कितना पसंद है, you just don't know. Scraping his beak now and again to wet it. He was just scraping his beak again and again for what? Just to wet it. Wet it, that is just to sharpen it. उसको sharpen करने के लिए he was just continuously scraping his beak. Now, ga ga ga, he cried, begging her to bring him some food. Ga, fool, ah, she screamed back derisively. But he kept calling plaintively, and after a minute or so, he uttered a joyful scream. Ga ga ga, he cried this, and this was basically the sound of these birds, begging her to bring him some food, and she was just begging. वो छोटा बेबी जो था वो just beg कर रहा था that please bring me some food. But mother ने in a manner showing that are you stupid? What are you doing? I'm not going to listen to you. In this way, she just screamed back, "Ga, fool, ah!" And this was basically ये उनकी birds की language. That this was the, we can say this was the comment and the reply that the bird received. But he kept calling plaintively. That is, वो painfully and continuously वो उसको call करता रहा अपनी mother को. And after a minute or so, he uttered a joyful scream. After a minute or so, he just uttered a joyful scream. खुशी से चिल्लाया. His mother had picked a piece of fish and was flying across to him with it. वो एक मिनट या बाद में उसकी जो मदर थी had picked up a piece of fish, उन्होंने एक fish का piece लिया and was flying across to him with it, and was just doing what? Just flying across to him with it. वो उसके पास आ रही थी, and the bird just thought कि finally मम्मी को मेरी परवाह हुई and my mother is bringing food for me, so was very happy. He leaned out eagerly, tapping the rock with his feet, trying to get nearer to her as she flew across. But when she was just opposite to him, she halted, her wings motionless, the piece of fish in her beak almost within the reach of its beak. He waited a moment in surprise, wondering why she did not come nearer, and then, maddened by hunger, he dived at the fish. With a loud scream, he fell outward and downward into space. Then a monstrous terror seized him, and his heart stood still. He could hear nothing, but it only lasted a minute. The next moment he felt his wings spread outward. The wind rushed against his breast and feather, and then his stomach and against his wings. So see, now eagerly she was stepping on the rock with his feet. जैसे बच्चे होते हैं ना, पैर पटकने लगता, मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे ये चाहिए. In the same way. Now trying to get nearer to her as she flew across. Now mother was doing what? Mother आके उसके पास में land नहीं हुई. Mother did not landed close to him. Mother वहां पे आके land नहीं हुई. Mother was just flying across him. Mother सिर्फ उड़े जा रही थी, ठीक है? Trying to get nearer to her as she flew across. But जब वो उसके opposite आई, just she halted, वो रुकी, and her wings were motionless. उसके उनके जो mother के जो feathers थे, they became motionless. The piece of fish in her beak was piece of fish जो था, it was in her beak and almost within the reach of his beak, and almost where it was within the reach of his beak. He waited a moment in surprise, wondering why she did not came nearer. And he waited moment in surprise and was wondering why she did not came nearer. And then, maddened by hunger, he dived at the fish with a loud scream. He fell outward and downward into space. Now उन्होंने एक मोमेंट तो वेट किया इन सरप्राइज, एंड ही वाज द बर्ड वाज जस्ट वंडरिंग. वो बर्ड क्या थी? हैरान हो रही थी. क्या सोच के? दैट व्हाई शी डिड नॉट केम नियरर. कि मम्मी यहाँ तक तो आ गई, बट वो मेरे पास क्यों नहीं आ रही? एंड देन मैडेंड बाय हंगर, क्योंकि वो खाने से बच्चा पागल हो रहा था, ही डाइव्ड एट द फिश. व्हाट ही डिड, उसने फिश पे डाइव किया. जैसे उसने डाइव किया ना फिश पे, द मदर जस्ट फ्लू अवे, एंड वो बच्चा जो था वो उस लेग से नीचे. बट एक बार तो डरेगा ना. सो विद अ लाउड स्क्रीम he felt outward and downward into space. So with a loud scream, वो एक बार तो outward and downward fell हुआ into the space. Then a monstrous terror seized him. फिर एक monstrous a terror, it just seized him, and his heart stood still. He could hear nothing, and then उनका जो heart था ना, it monstrous terror मतलब भयंकर तरीके से डर गया वो, and his heart stood still. और दिल जो था ना वो बिल्कुल बैठ गया, we can say. He could hear nothing. वो कुछ नहीं सुन पा रहे थे. But it only lasted a minute. But ये चीज कितनी देर लास्ट की? Just a minute. Next moment he felt his wings spread outward. Next moment उन्होंने feel किया that his wings had spread outward. The wind rushed against his breast feather. Wind जो थी just rushed against the breast feather. Then under his stomach and against his wing. Then under his stomach, against his wings, and he could feel the tip of his wings cutting through the air. अब now होता क्या है, once you are in the sky ना, जैसे एयर होती है तो birds की ना ऑटोमेटिकली गॉड गिफ्टेड एक सिस्टम होता है that जो आपकी एयर होती है वो आपके विंग्स में से कट एंड कट क्रॉस कर लेती है. And as soon as it cut across your wings, तो क्या होता है, you just start soaring upwards. तो आप वो bird जो होती है वो सोर करने लगते हैं up in the sky. The same thing happened with them. So he could just feel the tip of his wings cutting through the air, and he was not falling headlong now, and he was soaring gradually downwards and outwards, and he was no longer afraid. He just felt a bit dizzy, and अभी he was not at all afraid, and वो बहुत dizzy सा feel कर रहा था. Then he flapped his wings once and he soared upwards. And then what he did, he just flapped his wings and he soared upwards. और उसने upward soar किया. Ga ga ga, cool ga ah. His mother swooped past him, her wings making a loud noise. अब जैसे ही उसने थोड़ा सा उसको dizzy feel हुआ, obvious ही चीज है, हम भी अगर किसी swing में बैठते हैं, किसी झूले में बैठते हैं हम लोग, कोई जायंट व्हील हुआ, कोई हम बोलते हैं मॉन्स्टरस राइड हो गई, कोई भी इस तरह का कुछ हुआ है ना, रोलर कोस्टर राइड्स होते हैं, कोलंबस होते हैं, और भी बहुत सारी ऐसी राइड्स होती है, हमें नहीं पता, ब्रेक राइड्स होती है, बहुत होती है. तो अगर आप किसी राइड में बैठते हो तो एक बार आपको थोड़ा सा डिजीनेस फील होती है ना, but then you feel easy with it, you feel comfortable, and then you can soar with the swing wherever it, in whichever direction it soars. तो जैसे ही उसने अपवर्ड सोर करना स्टार्ट किया ना, द मदर swooped past him and her wings making a loud noise, and wings were making loud noise. He answered her with another scream, और उसने एक बार और चिल्ला करके ही आंसर दिया. Then his father flew over him screaming, और फिर उसके father just flew over him screaming, and he saw his two brothers and his sister flying around him. And then उन्होंने क्या देखा, अपने दो brothers and अपनी sister को just flying around him, curveting and banking and soaring and diving. And now what was that doing? वो क्या कर रहे थे? It was just curveting and banking and soaring and diving. तो फिर ये सारे के सारे बहुत खुशी. So होता क्या है? The all were showing, all were expressing, or we can say the all family was showing happiness, and they were feeling proud of this little bird. Then he completely forgot that he had not always been able to fly. Then ना वो completely इस चीज को भूल गए. क्या भूल गए? That he had not always been able to fly, कि वो कभी आज तक fly नहीं कर पाया, because he commended himself to dive and soar and curve, shrieking shrilly, because he just commended himself, उसने अपने आप को just commended to dive and soar and curve, dive करने के लिए, soar करने के लिए, curve करने के लिए, and shrieking shrilly. He was near the sea now, flying straight over it, facing straight out over the ocean. He saw a vast green sea beneath him, with little ridges moving over it, and he turned his beak sideways and cawed amusingly. Now see, he was near the sea now and flying straight over it, facing straight and over the ocean. He saw a vast green sea. उन्होंने देखा एक vast green sea को देखा beneath him, with little ridges उन्होंने देखा, moving over it, उसके ऊपर से move करते, and turned his beak sideways and caused amusingly, और अपनी beaks को sideways convert करके they just cawed amusingly. Cawed means they just spoke, and they were very amused. His parents and his brother and his sister had landed on the green flooring ahead of him. जो green flooring थी उनके सामने, parents, brother, sister, they all have landed on it. They were beckoning him, calling him shrilly. आवाज लगा रहे थे. They were just calling him कि वो भी उनके साथ आ जाए. He dropped his leg to stand on the green sea. उसने अपने क्या किया? Just dropped his leg, अपनी legs को drop किया, just to do what? Standing on the green sea, and his legs sank into it, and the legs were sinking into it. He screamed with fright and attempted to rise again, flapping his wings. And he just screamed with fright and attempted to rise again and flapping his wings. But he was tired and weak with hunger. But क्या था ना, वो बेचारा कोशिश तो कर रहा था and was able to fly, but because of hunger and because of the exhausting, he was tired and he just could not fly. वो थका हुआ था, वो बच्चा था ना, छोटे बच्चे को आपने भूखा रख दिया, तो can that small child go easy with that? No. So exhausted by the strange exercise. Now this was a strange exercise. ऐसा होता है, हम कभी बहुत ऐसे we can say कि हम बहुत लेजी अगर रह जाते हैं कभी, एंड उस लेजीनेस के अंदर सडनली हम एक दिन बहुत एक्सरसाइज कर लेते हैं, सपोज हम साइकिलिंग कर लेते हैं, हम रनिंग कर लेते हैं, तो अल्टीमेटली क्या होता है पता है आपको, हमें उस दिन बहुत लेग्स में पेन होगा. कि आपने कोई बहुत हैंड एक्सरसाइज कर ली तो उस दिन आपके हैंड्स बहुत एक होंगे. तो वो दैट वाज अ स्ट्रेंज एक्सरसाइज फॉर दैट चाइल्ड, यंग सीगल. तो ही वाज जस्ट टायर्ड एंड एग्जॉस्टेड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट. His feet sank into the green sea. Now once it landed on the sea, now this was a seabird, so was able just to skim on the water and just to dive in the water. So we can say that his feet sank into the green sea. उसके जो feet थे ना, वो उस green sea के अंदर sink हो गए, and then his belly touched it, और फिर जो उसकी belly थी, it just touched it, and he sank no further, and he just sank no further. He was floating on it, वो float कर रहे थे उस पे, and around him his family was screaming, और उसके पास में उसकी family was just screaming, praising him, and their beaks were offering him scraps of dogfish. And as a, we can say, prize, as an appreciation, वो उसको क्या offer कर रहे थे? The beaks were offering him the scraps of dogfish. उसकी जो favorite fish थी, उसके छोटे छोटे scraps उसको दे रहे थे. He had made his first flight. So this way we can say that this young seagull, who was afraid to fly earlier, however, with taking up all the efforts, has finally made his first flight. So yes, I hope you all understood it nicely. Chalo, so go through this part, go through this section, go through the question answers. If any doubt, we'll be solving it in the next class before starting the second one. Till then, go through the text, read it nicely. If there are any doubts, you can ask me. Okay? Chalo, till then, take care of yourself and we'll be meeting in our next class. Stay safe.